Those are good snacks. Those koala no march, the marching koala bears. And I'm gonna have some digestive biscuits right there. Oh, those are, what are those? Like sugar-coated peas? So it's like healthy and unhealthy at the same time. And some chips. Oh, there's Ozak chips. Those are the best chips in all of Japan right there. No way. And of course, Pringles. Those are maybe the second best chips. So let's get into it. Ozak for 200. What's that number? 48. Okay. How does it work? Oh, it's conveyor belts it out, huh? Cannot go wrong with Pringles sour cream and onion. You just cannot go wrong. And they've got some interesting types of Pringles in Japan. There's a lot of really sort of exotic, just native to Japan flavors that I will do in the future. But you can't go wrong with sour cream and onion. Yeah. I gotta get the koala march up there for 150. 150. And 100. What number is that? Number 13, lucky number 13. The koala bear march. March bears march. It's called koala no march, but there's no pictures of them marching. It's pretty sad marketing, huh? If it's going to be called the koala march, they should be marching. Okay, well, I'll do the marching myself later. Let's do the nuts, the cashew half and half, cashew almonds. Love me some nuts. Got a little bit more money left, and one item that I forgot, the sugar-coated peas. Number 22. Gotta do that. I don't think I've ever made a video of those before. Is that number 48? Okay. Time to get some peas. Oh no, I pushed the wrong one. And I don't have enough money left to buy the peas. Oh no, epic fail. Oh no. Okay, I've located a new vending machine, guys, and let's see, apparently it sells Space Invaders bags. They're what, eco bags, right? I'm in the game center here, so 800 yen, a little steep, but this is a new type of vending machine. And I mean, you can always use that extra eco bag, right? Okay, there's the 800 yen. And then what do? You just pull it. There it is, it's mine. Woohoo! Did we get some? Yeah. All right, we are back at another Pringles machine, and it's looking like they got some new flavors in here. So let's give it a try. Yeah, the Pringles game. 200 yen for a try. Okay, there we go. And okay, so you got to 1, 2, or 3. Got to try to stop it on the 3, so I get 3 of them. Ready? Come on, 3. 1. The premium, oh, they're curry flavored potato chips. Curry. All right. That looks delicious. And right next door here, we've got a Chupa Chups lollipop machine. It says you can win from 4 to 7 of them each try. And one go is 200 yen. Okay, so let's try to win 7. 200. You get the numbers going here, and then you stop it and try to get the high number. Ready? Come on, lucky 6 or 7 to be good. 4. 4 is like the lowest number. They're going up. They're going up. They go up the ladder. That's the attraction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got them all by the sticks. And the flavors are grape. I don't know what the pink one is. Oh, this is a praline. It's a pudding flavored one. Pudding. And this lemon, I think, maybe. It's time for some refreshments. Yeah, got a milk machine here. Coffee milk and regular milk. Let's do it. Coffee milk for 180. Number 6. Cheers. That's delish. What else we got here? A machine that sells towels and hairbrushes, razors, toothbrushes, socks. I need some socks badly. Yes. Underwear, boxers. Okay. 200 yen for a pair of socks. Sounds good to me. Where were they again? These guys. Ooh. Okay, black ones. I really wanted the white ones though. Oh well. Texas. Yeehaw. Oh, look here, we got a beer machine. Oh, Sapporo. And they've got cocktails as well, too. Definitely feeling thirsty. Sapporo. Take that home for Mega. Actually, Mega likes the cocktails better. Try this one. 270. That's the sour plum one, which I love. It's so good. Umeboshi. Okay. Also made by Sapporo. $3.24. Looking for some Vans, blue Vans. Yes, score. Shoes vending machine. Shoe locker, really. Okay. Let's get out of here. Shumai dumplings, Chinese style. Yes. I haven't had these in a while. I've had these before, but this definitely. Are they available? Yes. Let's get some. Come on. Get excited, Eric. Finally something besides snacks. Some real food. Number 9. Yeah, that'll do. Coming down. Maybe. Ooh, it's a good sized box. Yeah, here we are at the best sandwich vending machine place in all of Japan, the Hanahana Deli. And what's new on the menu? Oh, the katsu sandwich. Yeah, ham cutlet sandwich, definitely into that. For 400, okay, number 8. Yeah, sandwich in a box. Okay, and should we do another one? Yes, we shall. Let's do one more. I think this is the best, the ham egg sandwich. Oh, I love that thing. Cannot go wrong with that. Number 7. All right, got 2. Got free bags and wet towels. Good, good. In we go. The unmanned gyoza dumpling machine room. It's a 1,000 yen note. In you go. Paid. Yeah, let's go eat already. Ooh, here's an old school vending machine. Yeah, vegetables. Here's where you pay. Love it. So we've got onions here for 100 yen. Definitely use some onions. Get the 3 in the bag. Got long onions here. And we got komatsuna mustard spinach. Okay, it's a good price. I use this in my smoothies in the morning. All right, so 100 yen, 100 yen, 200. Sold. 1, 2, in you go. All right, and action. Oh, that was the action. What are we starting out with? Drinks here. We do need to let the gyoza and the shumai dumplings cool down a little bit. All right, so which one are you gonna go for, Mega? We've got
this one.
Okay.
It's a plum cocktail.
And I've got a Sapporo Black Label. Cheers and beers. And Chuhai cocktail. Oh, that hits the spot. After traveling around all those vending machines, it was actually 3 or 4 days of traveling around to vending machines to get all this stuff. But we got it. We got it. How's that?
It's pretty good.
It's good, right? That's also made by the Sapporo company. So that's actually my favorite cocktail drink. And they're both about 5% alcohol, so pretty mellow. All right, we're going to start, Mega.
Let's start with gyoza.
Gyoza, get yours. Going in for the gyoza. Chinese style dumplings. Oh my gosh. Now these things, they're pretty much available everywhere, but everywhere you go, they're different. So far, all of the different types of dumplings that I've brought to the table here these are the best. So, what do you think?
I think these are the best too.
You think? I mean, there's a nice balance between like the meat and the vegetables, and there's a nice garlic flavor.
And it's juicy.
Very juicy. Actually, this is only half of the total gyoza.
Yeah.
So there was, what, 30 total? And for $7.50 for 30 of them, so that's half. That's $3.75. So that's a bargain, I think. Let's follow it up with the other dumplings, the shumai. So here's some hot mustard for you. And these are also like a Chinese style dumpling, right?
Yeah.
The hot mustard adds a nice touch. Yeah, just a warning to any of you, if you come to Japan, the mustard here is typically hot mustard, right? It's not going to be American style mustard, right? For kids that you put on a hot dog. It's got some spice, so just be careful. It's actually really good though. And these are good size shumais, right? A lot of times these are tiny, but
It's big.
it's I don't know, is it one bite or two? What do you think?
2 bites?
2 bites? All right. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's delicious. I almost like these better than the gyoza dumplings. And the shop also sells yakitori, so chicken on a stick, but they won't put them in the vending machines yet, so I kind of hesitate to buy it. I keep telling the staff, please put it in the vending machine and then I'll buy it. They do sell it in the shop. So we'll see. We'll see if they listen to me or not. Okay, your choice. Moving on. We're going to go mega.
Kimono.
So dried fish, and it's aji fish or horse mackerel. Have I shown you the shoyu lately? Oh wait, this is not the shoyu shirt. This is the... We were supposed to say itadakimasu before we started eating. Epic fail. Did you show them the shoyu before you... You gotta show them the shoyu. Okay, good. It looks good. It looks delicious. Okay. So first we'll say it proper. We're trying to teach, this is a mini Japanese lesson, okay? So ready? On 3, 2, 1. Itadakimasu. That's the proper way to say it, right? It's got 5 syllables. Itadakimasu. Okay? I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a close-up somewhere. Okay, and then we'll do it the way that you learn how to say itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. It's also 5 syllables. Ready? Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
They sound exactly the same, don't they? You can get away with it. That's the way to remember it. 5-syllable words are tough. I'm ahead of you, Mega. Mmm. Good flavor.
Yeah.
And this is aji is typically served for breakfast in Japan, right? You're gonna eat this with rice and miso soup. That's what you get for a traditional Japanese breakfast. Yeah, it's everywhere. And it's good.
It's good.
And basically, the smaller that it is, the bones are easy to eat too. Okay, what's next?
The salad?
It's a gorgeous salad, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this is the chef's special dressing. I think we explained what was in it in a previous video. I forgot. Do you remember?
I think so.
Okay, what's in the dressing?
I forgot.
Okay, I guess it's going to remain a secret for this video, but... Okay, we're going to do the salad in 15 seconds or less. Ready? Start. Good choice of lettuce this time, huh? The chef got quality lettuce, not that iceberg garbage. This is the legit. Mm-hmm. Stepping it up. How's that avocado? Excellent. How's the dressing?
It's good.
Good. There's corn in here, right? Anything can go on a Japanese salad. There's corn, there's cucumber. What do you say? Let's do the nuts. Okay. Now this is my favorite brand in Japan. There are lots of companies that makes nuts and different types of nuts. Tones. Remember that. They're always fresh, this company. So this is a mix of what, almonds and cashews? You didn't get any almonds. There you go. Okay. From experience, the best nuts in all of Japan. Do you eat them together or do you eat them separate? What do you think? I'm gonna go almonds first.
Me too.
Right, so fresh, right? The crunch, the flavor, they're different from typical nut. They beat Costco by a mile, right?
It's different.
I'd even say they're on par with Blue Diamond almonds. And the cashews, soft but crisp. A lot of flavor. Oh, tones. Maybe we could get them as a sponsor. Can you write them a letter and tell them that we'll eat them in every video for forever and ever? Is that good? Major fail on the beginning. We were so excited about getting that intro with the noisemaker, we forgot to pour our beers into the cups. So here it is. Cheers and beers. To you, team, get some. And this is the new sushi mug. Yeah. And which one have you got? That's the get some mug. And the other side, also cheers and beers. Yeah, okay, good. Cheers, Mega.
Cheers.
What are we drinking to? Snacks. What goes good with beer and cocktails? Choose one. Ozak, these are my favorite potato chips of all time. And I think they're even better than Pringles. It's a crispy, soft chip. Yet kind of natural, unlike Pringles. The only thing about Ozak chips is they're a little tricky to find.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you gotta look around for these guys. They're not as popular as they used to be, which is kind of a bummer. Okay, let's compare it to the standard Pringles sour cream and onion. Okay, get in there. Got to do these together because this is the Pringles sour cream and onion, right? This guy, this is everybody worldwide. This is probably the most famous chip, I would say, the most available chip. It's too processed. I mean, it's good. You can just eat them one after another, but what do you say when we take a little break and do the cool stuff segment? Did you prepare anything for cool stuff?
No.
Thought it was your week. I didn't prepare anything either. What the heck are we gonna do? Well, wait. Something arrived in the mail. Were you here for that?
Yeah.
What is it? Let's just do that for cool stuff. This also came from a vending machine. I really like this Space Invaders bag. I got this at the game center from a vending machine. And then here's the Doritos little key holder with actual Doritos chips inside it. It's so cute. So where's it from? Who's it from? Gail Faulkner from Australia. Melbourne, Australia. Oh, look at, she packed it. Amazing. If I could only pack mine, get some snack packs to look like this. This is professional. Gail. Wow. You went all out, sister. Okay. So it also came with a letter here, which says, "G'day, Eric and Mega. Greetings from Australia." And it's a list of the things that are in here and some instructions. So let's see what we got. I'll grab an item, you grab an item. This, oh, hello. Bacon bites. Oh, we will definitely be trying these out soon, like tonight. Oh. What you got?
Twisties.
Twisties, okay. I think I've had those before, maybe. Got some Anzac biscuits. Look at that, huh? And biscuits are different in every state of Australia, I think. Yeah, everybody's got their own biscuits down there. Yep.
Wagon wheels.
Woo, wagon wheels, nice. Tim Tams. 2 types of Tim Tams. Yes. Love Tim Tams.
Arnott's.
Looks good. Looks good. We've got some Taito chips. I believe these are from Ireland. Yeah, thank you.
J-Fuzz.
Okay, looks good. We've got some Cadbury chocolate. Oh, love some chocolate. Cadbury. Oh, yeah. And some Dairy Lee chocolate. Rum raisin. Woohoo!
TV snacks.
TV snacks. Let's watch some TV. Netflix. Oh my goodness, this is serious. It's the Cadbury Favorites Party Edition. Oh, it's a chocolate party. This is awesome. Feel how heavy that is.
It's so heavy.
Okay, you're up.
Some kind of Oreo.
Okay. Chocolate, Oreo, yeah, Oreo chocolate. Also by Cadbury. 2 types of French fries. Original, salt and vinegar. Okay. I just love how colorful everything is. These snacks are legit. I think they blow away our American ones and our Japanese ones. They got their Ovaltine. Ovaltine.
Ovaltine.
Are they snacks? Is that drink mix? Oh, I guess you can just eat it.
Yeah.
Okay, Ovaltine. Ovaltinis. Nice. Okay. And here, what do you got? Some tea. We got some Melbourne breakfast. Tea bags, I believe. It's light. Nice. And last but not least, it looks like a new game box. What is it? Is that the new Nintendo Switch? Oh, win an Xbox. No. It says win an Xbox on the back. Okay. All right. Well, this is awesome. All right. Well, at the very end of the video, we're going to try some of these, okay? So think about what you want to try, Mega. And thank you so much, Gail. You went all out. That is banging gift from Melbourne, Australia. Cheers and beers to you. Cheers and beers. You drinking, Mega?
Yeah.
Cheers and beers. Okay, so next up on the menu here, the onions, like the stewed onions that we got. This came from somebody's garden, and I put the money in their little box. It's like a mini farmer's market. People put them out. I mean, you can just put your own vegetables outside of your house and put a little box out. And super slippery onions, stewed onions. You ready? Going in. Pretty sweet.
Yeah.
I think. It's good. Is that butter and mayonnaise on top? There's cheese on top of that. Yummy. And my favorite sandwich vending machine, we got 2 sandwiches. So which one you want to do first? Ham, egg, and cheese or ham katsu? I'm going to do the ham katsu because it just looks so meaty.
Yeah.
Look at the amount of meat you get in there. That is a big slab of pork by Japanese standards, right?
Yeah.
Oh. What do you think?
I like the taste of the sauce.
Mm-hmm. The sauce is on the breading, and it's a really moist breading, right? Because it's just soaked in the sauce.
Yeah.
And then there's cabbage on top, shredded cabbage, and the ham itself, pretty good. It's got a nice crunch to it, right? It's not soggy at all.
It's fresh.
I mean, this place, the Deli Hana Hana, I'm telling you, amazing. I think we could do tours and just take people to Deli Hana Hana and take them up to the mountains. We could do a day tour with sandwiches is the, gotta be the lunch. Effortless. Be so easy. This is the ham, egg, and cheese. For a Japanese sandwich, it's packed. You get 3 times the ingredients as you do bread. Okay, let's do it. Mm-hmm. I think.
That's great.
The bread is so moist, it's sticking to the roof of my mouth. Don't you hate it when something sticks to the roof of your mouth? Like peanut butter? That means it's good bread. Very moist. Fresh. And there's carrots in here, which is a weird touch. Carrots on a sandwich, but it gives it some crunch. Right?
Yeah.
And they're using really good lettuce, dark leaf lettuce, which I like. And the cheese is very melty. What kind of curry is this? Can you read that? That kanji on there?
It says Kiwami Kare. Delicious curry.
Delicious curry, because there's so many different kinds of curry in Japan. I want to know what delicious curry tastes like. Because to me, Japanese curry is kind of meh. I'll be the judge. You be the judge. We'll be the judge. What do you think?
It's alright.
Meh. I mean, they shouldn't be saying it's delicious.
Yeah.
It's. I mean, it definitely tastes like curry, but middle of the road.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Pringles. But Pringles, keep coming up with new flavors because that gives us content for the videos. And that machine that you've got, that is kind of a risk. You gamble 200 yen and you either get 1, 2, or 3. I like it. I'm willing to keep trying it, but you got to keep coming out with more flavors. Okay, deal? If anybody from Pringles Japan is listening. Yeah, this was a vending machine extravaganza. A lot of machines involved in today's video. So koala no machi. The household rule is you got to march first before you eat the koala march. Okay, now I'm hungry. You got to march too. It's too narrow. Okay. All right. Hey, I'm MegaBrain6100 and you are?
Eric06.
Let's eat some Koala March cookies. And these things are pretty amazing, aren't they?
Yeah.
You grew up with these as a kid, didn't you? Every cookie has a different koala bear pose. And they're basically just chocolate cookies, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I could eat these all day. Well, stop. Don't eat any more. I want Nobby's bacon bites. Where you gonna go, mate? It looks like bacon. Amazing. And it tastes like bacon too.
It does.
What? Oh my gosh. I think I got a new favorite potato chip. Out with the Ozak. In with the nobbies. Oh my gosh, these are good. Oh yeah. Okay, party chocolates. Brought to you by Cadbury. There'll be a link to the merch down in the video description if you guys are interested in picking up a mug or a t-shirt. We got merch, yo. Team Get Some Foodie Lover. That's a good shirt. Team Get Some. Are you on Team Get Some?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm a member of Team Get Some. Are you guys a member of Team Get Some? All you gotta do is watch the videos. That's all you gotta do. You don't have to do anything else, but if you would like to do something else, if you'd like your own merch, you can support us that way, or you can become a channel member. There's special perks involved in becoming a channel member. And there'll be a link to that down below as well too if you'd like to join. So, got it open? Let's just pour out a bunch of them. How about we pour out all of them? Oh my gosh! That's a lot of chocolate. Freddo Dairy Milk. Milk chocolate? Chomp. It's a Monster Chew. I'm gonna go for the Monster Chew. What are you gonna go for?
Freddo.
Okay. Oh, mine's caramel. I like caramel.
Mine's a milk chocolate.
That's some really thick caramel. And there's a wafer inside. How's the dairy milk?
Milky.
Okay. So let's change. Here, you try that one. The chomp. I'll do the dairy milk. Mmm. They're both amazing.
Yeah.
It's good chocolate. The dairy milk, Freddy, it's got some crunchiness to it.
Yeah.
Not sure what that is, but it's nice. Great flavor. Oh my gosh. Caramello koala. You doing the same?
Yeah.
It's so cute. It's almost like too cute to eat. Oh my gosh, this is good chocolate. It's rich.
Yeah.
It blows away our Japanese chocolate that we always say is so amazing. Shh. And it blows away American chocolate, I think, too.
Yeah.
I mean, to be honest. American chocolate is waxy. This is rich. Oh my gosh. So Gail, thank you so much for sending that deluxe package. We really, really appreciate it. And there was definitely cool stuff. That's one of the best care packages ever, I think, that we've got. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now it is time to rate this meal. We're going to do it with the suckers. This is the last item from the vending machines, the Chupa Chups. Which one do you want?
Grape.
And what flavor is this? Can you read it? It's really small.
Lemon soda.
Okay. So we're gonna suck on the lollipops while we ponder our rating for this vending machines meal today. Why are they so freaking hard to get open? Come on, Chupa Chups. And Chupa Chups are from Spain, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, cheers. I got mine open first. Would you like some scissors?
Yes.
And I don't feel so bad. I thought I was slow. Lemon what? Lemon soda?
Yeah.
And what's yours? Grape?
Grape.
Okay, cheers. Mmm. Okay. So from now on, there's no touching the lollipop with your hands. We're gonna finish this video out, sucking on the lollipops, and rating the meal, and saying goodbye to you guys. Okay, so what did you like the best today? Of all the items that we had, what did you think was the best?
The sandwich.
The sandwich? Which one?
The hamkatsu sandwich.
Oh yeah, that was good. That was good. Would you guys like to get some? We got one little one left. Who wants to get some? That's the ham katsu sandwich. And me, I mean, this is kind of surprising. To me, the shumai dumplings were the best thing for me, which is a bit of rarity, but I think it's better because we put the hot mustard on it today. And my favorite for the snacks was this. Oh my gosh. Bacon bites. Yeah?
Yeah.
So, what snack did you like the best? You do a snack too. Wait, what was the rule? I can't touch this? So hard to drink and... Hurry up and pick your favorite snack. They're waiting.
The dairy milk.
Mmm.
This was good.
They're all good.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong with Cadbury chocolates. Okay, so on your mega head rating from 1 to 6, where are you gonna go today? Overall rating for everything. I'm gonna keep it simple.
I'm gonna go 5.
5 out of 6. I think I gotta go 6 out of 6. I mean, it was a lot of machines and a lot of variety, and cool stuff was just over the top. Gale, yeah, amazing. Yeah, outdid yourself. We're gonna have food for a couple of weeks, right? Snacks for a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
So because it's a perfect 6 from one of us, that means... Can I touch this yet?
No.
No. Let me just tell them what happens.
There's a giveaway.
There's a giveaway, okay. And all you have to do for your chance to win is put a comment on this video. You know the drill. Put a comment on the video, and we will choose 3 winners and announce them in the very next Eric Mealtime. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not familiar with the Get Some Snack Pack, there'll be a link up here on the screen somewhere, and you can check out an unboxing video from somebody that won one. And last note, don't ever try to speak with a lollipop in your mouth. That's it from Eric and Mega. We are out.